Hey, welcome back to another episode of Then We Eat. On this week's video, I'll be making slow cooker chicken Caesar salad. No, sandwich. Slow cooker chicken Caesar sandwiches. Slow cooker chicken Caesar sandwiches. So the first part of this recipe is pretty darn simple, actually. All we're going to do is we're going to take a slow cooker, like this one here. We're going to put about 2 pounds of chicken breasts in. You want to be a little careful when handling raw chicken, so just make sure you wash your hands if you've touched it or whatever. Okay, then next up, we're going to add a cup of chicken broth. Okay, today I'll be using store-bought chicken broth, but if you check over my shoulder, there should be a video of how we make our own chicken broth. So we're going to add the 1 cup to the slow cooker. We're going to put the slow cooker on low for about 3 to 4 hours, and then we'll be back to show you how to finish up this recipe. Okay, so we're back. The chicken's been cooked, took about 3 hours. So what I've done is I've just put it on a cutting board. I've drained the liquid out of the slow cooker, and then we'll move forward from there. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to shred the chicken. If you keep an eye on the chicken, I started to check at about 2.5 hours in. You want it so that it'll shred, but it's not dried out. All right, so I think that's about good. So let me grab the crock pot and we'll carry on. All right, so we'll put the chicken back into the crock pot. I didn't clean the crock pot itself. It was the chicken was cooked in it, and it's cooked chicken going in. So then we'll add a little black pepper, half teaspoon or so. Cup of Caesar salad dressing. You can either buy it or make it yourself. 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese, and we'll give that a stir. Okay, so that's the next ingredients added to the pot. We leave it at that. What we're going to do is we're going to turn it back on for about 15 to 20 minutes, just long enough to heat it all through again. Then we'll come back and finish. So if you like the video so far, maybe you can take a minute and hit the like button and share it with some of your friends, see what they think of it. And if you want to see more of our videos, hit the subscribe button as well. We try to upload a new video every Friday. And we put the ingredients in the description down below on all of our recipes so that you don't have to keep track of it along the way. So give us a few minutes and we'll be back once this has been heated through. Okay, so once it's heated through, we're going to add about 1/4 of a cup of fresh parsley. I've got just a little over 1/4 of a cup, so I don't think I'm going to add it all. And then we'll just give that a mix. Once you've got it all mixed through, shouldn't take you very long. Comme ça, and I'm just going to put the lid back on and keep things warm. All right, so we're time to prep our sandwich. First thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to chop up a little lettuce. And we're ready to make our sandwich. So I've got a whole wheat roll here today, but you can use any kind of bun that you like. So we'll just give that a slice open. And we'll add some chicken. So while we were waiting for the chicken to cook, we did up a little bacon for the sandwich as well. So we're going to put a couple of strips on here. You can never go wrong with bacon. The more the merrier. And then we'll just top that off with a little bit of lettuce. And there you have it. 1 slow cooker Caesar salad sandwich. All right, so let's give it a try. See how it is. Yep. Not bad. I think actually, if it were me, I think I would add just a little bit of hot sauce to it. Frank's or sriracha, whatever your hot sauce of choice is. And I think that would really set it off nicely. The other thing you could add is a little bit of tomato if you wanted. Other than that, it's really good. And it's, as I say, you can change it up a little bit to your liking. So, thanks for watching. And don't forget, first we cook, then we eat.